on this episode of Doorbell News.
Hey, who are you looking for?
Please help me. I'm an old man.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Youngstown, Ohio. Jacksonville, Florida. Check her out.
Hello?
You come over to show me a TikTok at 3 in the morning?
Hey. Hey. Yeah. How can I help you?
Nothing.
That was strange.
Get away from the front door now!
Get lost!
That's it.
Not slap him.
There's a video of it.
How did I slap him?
So you need to unlock the door.
When did I slap him?
Unlock the door.
Please show me the video where I slapped him.
I will show it to you, but you need to unlock this door.
No, I did not slap him.
If you do not unlock this door, we will force our way inside the house.
You don't see
and
him
we will
doing
take you to jail. We're trying to do this the easy way, but you're making it hard.
I'm not. Why would I not? I literally waited for you guys to report this for hours.
I know. And we
I'm
got
not
to it
doing
now.
this.
Right now, I will breach this door. Don't tempt me. I really wanted to, but it's not worth it.
I think they need a warrant to do that.
Technically, we're in hot pursuit of a violent misdemeanor, but we can't articulate any exigency because.
Looks like a car rolled over. The occupants get out and leave before the police arrive.
Do you need help? This is not your house. Do not try to open the door. Who is this? Don't open it. She's leaving. Is that the neighbor?
Natto! Paratto! Paratto! Paratto namarosa ratto! Paratto nemas paratto! Paratto spero paratto!
have a medical. Why you still at my door? Because it's saying I'm over here, so I'm just coming over here to let you know that I have a.
A neighbor shared this video after this woman came by looking for her AirPods late at night. Would you want this guy delivering your pizza? Pretty gross.
Hey, who you looking for?
Tyrone!
You got the wrong address, sir. You have the wrong address.
8104
I'm sorry.
2751.
No, this is not 8104. That's across the street.
Yeah, but I thought this was like the number I was supposed to be coming to, you know? My name's, let him chill down Nor.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No one lives.
Sounds like he had a stroke or dementia or something. Jacksonville, Florida. This guy's trying to snag somebody's groceries, but he gets caught in the act. Let's see what happens.
Hello? Do you need anything?
Yes, man. I'm just letting you know, your stuff is on the porch. You heard, man?
Okay.
I'm just letting you know your stuff from Walmart's on the porch. That's all, man. I'm just saying.
Okay, what you got in your hand?
I'm not on my stuff, man. Your stuff is right there, man.
Okay. I'll let them know. Thank you.
I was just trying to find out if you or any in your family came in contact with him, honey. I wasn't trying to give you a hard time.
Modesto, California. This housekeeper is about to get fired. She decided to steal this homeowner's package on her way out. Meanwhile, in South Central, a coyote decides to mess with the wrong cat. Yeah, those South Central cats don't play no games.
Picture. Inspection, anyone home? Hello? Hello?
A neighbor is accusing the maintenance man of coming into her apartment unannounced and taking a $500 bottle of perfume. Dallas, Texas. This guy stops by this homeowner's house at 4 in the morning to promote his lawn care business.
Hi, we'll be right there.
How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Who are you looking for?
I'm just trying to see if I could give you my service, put in your yard, ma'am.
No, you have the wrong door, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Please move from my property.
Get lost!
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry,
Thank you. Thank you. Not at 3 in the morning.
Yeah,
What shit is that? Yeah.
it's actually 4 in the morning.
Cut my yard. How you cut my yard? Yeah. Get the out of here.
Montgomery, Alabama. This young lady made it home just in time.
Oh, wait.
Sounds like machine guns. Meanwhile in Honolulu, check her out. Better keep those doors locked. Meanwhile in Los Angeles, a Kia gets stolen from this homeowner's driveway. Be careful if you have an older model Kia like this. These guys have figured out easy ways to take these cars in under a minute. So it might be best to put this car in the garage or put some kind of steering wheel lock or something on it to help prevent these cars from being taken. Meanwhile in Winchester, this woman decides to just walk inside of this homeowner's house.
Get the fuck out of here now. Get the fuck out of here now. Get in the car, Jaden. Get in the car.
Ronald Mitchell. Ronald Mitchell.
It's across the street in the Age building across the street.
Please help me. I'm an old man, and this is the place I was told to come to. There's somebody out here.
It's across the street, sir.
Poor old guy. Let's hope he finds his destination. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Better keep those doors locked on your car, too. These bippers have nothing to lose. San Diego, California. So this woman pulls up in a brand new BMW SUV and she decides to snag somebody's mail right out their mailbox. She must have some sort of identity theft ring going or something. Yeah. It's a nice SUV. Is that how you're paying the bill?
Get the f*** up!
Hey, Elgin, Texas. Check this guy out. It's 1:30 in the morning. This guy's trying to get inside somebody's house with the wrong key. It's the wrong house, buddy. Georgetown, Texas. Looks like a burglary in process. Better keep those doors locked. Chicago, Illinois. We got a porch pirate here. Redlands, California. Better keep those doors locked.
Get yourself on your feet a little bit, you know. Come on, I don't want to.
Don't you hate when that happens?
I'm so mad.
Yeah, again. Better keep those car doors locked at night.
Hey! Someone was in the car. Look, the light is open.
Hello, you doing? Joy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Open.
Yeah.
This is open.
All bad?
Open.
All that?
It's open.
Not your house, honey. It's not your house, honey. Where's your mommy? You, baby.
Glendale, California. This nice Audi was taken right out this homeowner's driveway. Looks like they left it charging overnight. But did they leave the keys inside? Because this guy just starts it up and drives off like as if the keys were inside. Los Angeles, California.
Hello. Hello. I was gonna say, watch out.
Out for the paint because the rail is wet.
I know. Well, this is my second time here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you.
I
Yeah.
should recognize you by now.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta take pictures. Okay.
A power couple is seen delivering some packages.
I don't have to take picture.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just put the regular.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you have someone to help her, huh?
Oh yeah,
I
this.
don't think you had help.
No, this is my boss.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Spouse?
Yeah. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. That's my boss. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Listen to her.
Commander in Chief.
Right. Okay.
Staying active and making a little money on the side. Good for them. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe today.